My name is Versatile 313. I'm from Detroit. I would say my main influence that I got first off was like Michael Jackson. He was the artist that I started looking up to initially as a child, especially when I saw his performances, the Motown 25, him doing the moonwalk for the first time. I relate to the Jackson 5, Michael Jackson, musically and stylistically, because I feel that just like I have an upbeat energy about my performance, Michael Jackson also has that. How I want people to feel when I perform is immensely entertained. The judges should pick me, I believe, because I know how to make a song my own and to take it to a new level of considering how a song can be heard and performed, unlike you've seen it